Hello YouTube. In part 2 we will continue video part 1. In part 1 we created the component and give them properties, but in part 2, we are going to add event to every component we created before. First, let's make the definition of the component global instead of local. And that by removing the definition of the component from the procedure variable scope and put it in the class variable scope. Also remove the keyword var from our procedure because we have no definition of any variable. That will make it easy to change the properties of the component from other functions or procedures. As well serve us to free the allocated memory from the component variable and pointers. And that will destroy the component and make it disappear from our form using button or method. After execution, you can see our program work perfectly. Now let's write the event code for each component separately. First you write the event name. Then equals f. The name of the procedure we want to happen when we trigger the event. Under the implementation section you write the procedure as it belongs to class tform1. Because we are going to add it to tform1 class. Just follow the video. I used copy and paste to make it easy for you. You can see that I took the button one-click procedure and change it to message instead of button one-click. That means adding procedure to tform1 class is the same. Then you can write what you want to happen if the event is triggered. I choose to show a message. Finally, under the interface section, you add the procedure top part to the tform1 class. After execution we can see the event works perfectly. Now let's add other events to the other component, the same way we did before. I forget a semicolon. The event here is: if the edit component gets selected, delete the text in it. Now we add the last event to the last component. This event called onMouse leave. That mean when the mouse leave the component or event get triggered. And make it equal to procedure name. This procedure we will write after and make it belong to tform1. Then we write the procedure body with our name as it belong to tform1. And write a code to execute when the event triggered between begin and end. At last we add the procedure type and name and parameters to tform1 class's new procedure in the interface part of our unit. We can see every time the mouse leave the memo, our event get executed, which is add the line to the memo itself. Now let's add a button to our form. When we click it, all the component we created get destroyed. And this is how we free all the memory we allocated by creating this component. The code is easy because we have the definition of the component is on global scope. In the next video we will see how to deallocate the memory from a component which is in the private scope from anywhere. we can see that destroying the component is easy. We can create them again and destroy them every time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. See you on the next video.